side guns were operated by the navigator.
Okay.
And the turret guns operated by the bombardier.
And he'd sit right up, if I see the chair there.
Right here in the front.
And then you were up in the co-pilot up top there?
Co-pilot seat right up there. And the top turret gun was operated by the flight engineer.
Okay. And when you lost your engines, do you remember which ones went out first? And
this is the only one we had left.
That's the only one you had left.
Number 4.
And then at 2,000 feet, that was it. Time to go.
We jumped at about 2,000 feet. Mm-hmm.
Now, how were the enemy firing? Was it constant, or was it
flak? You know, they were shooting the 88 millimeters from the ground.
Okay.
And they were, they burst all around. And, that was kind of like firecrackers popping up there all the time.
So they weren't really aiming; they were just firing.
Well, yeah, they were aiming, but they were 5 miles down, and we were 150 miles an hour, so they were just putting them up there, hoping.
The 40 and 80 millimeter Bofors.
88 millimeter.
88s. Yeah, and they would explode at a certain altitude,
yeah,
wouldn't they?
That was the idea, to make them explode at the right time.
Right.
And some of them did.
Oh, amazingly so.
Our old airplane had been 25 missions when we took it over. And we flew it 25 more and jumped out of it, left it over in Belgium. But she was a good one.
Those 50 caliber?
Yeah, 50 caliber.
And whereabouts were you on this thing?
That's on top, got it. Turret on top.
Way up top?
Yeah.
So what did you think when you saw her taxiing in here?
Huh?
What did you think when you saw her taxiing in?
Made remember some things. I've done lots of it. Right. It didn't bother me all that bad. It really didn't. It's all done so quick. Done been sweating it out there for an hour and a half, 2 hours. From 2 outside engines done quit. I'm done turned them off. Had no gas in them.
You had the 2 inside ones.
You're going on them 2 inside.